Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So the company Seesii reached out to me and wanted me to do a product review on one of their products. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what we have. So out of the box, this is what we have. First of all, we have a 6-inch chainsaw. We have 2 batteries. Both are rechargeable. We have the pole, which extends. On one end, you attach the chainsaw, and on the other end, you attach the removable battery. You can see that the pole locks in place, and it also retracts. We have the electrical cord for the batteries to charge. We have a strap that can be worn. And we also have safety goggles. We have a tool to tighten the chain. And we have an oil and brush. And we also have a set of gloves. So this comes in a 2-in-1 versatile design. You have a handheld and a pole chainsaw combo. It's adaptable. It's 20-volt cordless pole saw transformed into a mini handheld chainsaw in a matter of seconds. You can gain the flexibility to trim tall tree branches or perform precise wood cutting at ground level without switching tools. You can reach new safety heights. The pole is extendable up to 15.5 feet. You can go from 4.6 to 9 feet, providing up to 16 feet of reach when combined with your height. You can work securely from the ground while cutting high limbs or overgrown trees. The balanced long pole chainsaw design enhances stability, allowing precise pruning without ladders, strain, or risk. With the dual battery system, you can work longer and charge less. You stay powered with two 4000 mAh lithium batteries and a fast charger for up to 120 minutes of runtime and 200 smooth cuts. The dual battery design keeps your battery powered chainsaw running without interruption, ensuring consistent cutting power for extended pruning or wood cutting project. More uptime rather means faster and smarter yard work. Your new chainsaw and pole cutter is equal friendly. It is smooth, quiet, delivering a very nice performance. If you are interested in purchasing one, I have a link for them in the description portion of the video, as well as the comment section. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.